And don't touch my skulls, they're sensitive. I saw that arm brush. Dirty little skull toucher. Dirty little skull toucher. Skull toucher!
Here's the entrance to Garden of Evil, Phobia, and Death. Pretty cool. The Death and Phobia are two new haunts this year. So I guess we'll figure out what that looks like.
That is just rude. And I don't think you can walk away from me while you smell like a bag of quarters. You smell like an arcade from the 80s. Nobody should smell like that. It's a bad look on anyone. And don't touch my skulls, they're sensitive. I saw that arm brush. Dirty little skull toucher. Dirty little skull toucher. Skull toucher! What?
You're all gonna burn! You made me do this. You wanna be next? Get out! I'll kill your whole family.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.